Hi guys, welcome back to my small engine repair channel. Today I'm going to show you the belt configuration on this Ariens RT8020 Roto-Tiller. And the reason I'm showing a belt configuration on a Roto-Tiller is because the belt for the reverse is not installed like your typical Roto-Tiller out there. So again, it's the Ariens RT8020. It's an older machine, but it's well built. And it's got an 8 horsepower Briggs and Stratton engine. These were actually very good engines, by the way. Now the covers off of the belts, here are the belts. There's 2 for the drive speed and 1 for the reverse. Now the 2 belts you see here are a matching set. They drive the wheels and the roto-tilling part as well. The belt right here is the belt for the reverse. It looks like it's on upside down and you're right. However, that's the way it goes. And that's why I wanted to make the video, because it's rare that I get a rototiller in my shop to where you literally have to flip the belt upside down to install it properly on it. So I'll give you a very clear configuration of that belt. It goes on top of this pulley here. Now this pulley is adjustable. All you have to do is loosen the nut and you can adjust the idler pulley up and down. The reason you want to do that is in case when you depress the lever, the belt is either too tight or too loose. So I've got it set here to where the tiller will work perfectly at this tension. And when you depress that lever, the idler pulley down here tightens up the belt. Now that belt goes in front of this pulley. It goes over top this one. And the V part of the belt will actually be on the engine pulley. And then the flat part of the belt will be on the big pulley at the bottom of the machine. And here's that pulley. There's the belt right here, goes around. So I'll just start up the machine and I'll show you how well that belt system works. Here's neutral. So if you've got a rototiller like this, bookmark the video in case you need to replace the belts. It will save you a lot of time, especially if the belt is gone from your machine. You can quickly access this video to see the configuration. It definitely saves a lot of time. I had to figure it out myself, and then my buddy told me that it was correct to put the belt on this way, but I do wish I would have had a proper video to show me. So thanks again for watching, guys. If I've forgotten to mention anything about this rototiller, please comment below. Have yourselves a great day, and you can see me in my next video. Take care.